Okay, general controlling. Maintain controlling area. Maintain versions. Controlling area setting. Lab 9, no. Tab 2. OKKS. Tab 2. Enter. SPRO. Controlling area settings. Okay, this is done for each fiscal year. Okay, integrated planning. Okay. Zero profit center version. Version lock line item. Okay, plan actual version. Okay, fine. Define ledger for CO version. Tab 2. Zero. Okay. Profit center accounting. Basic setting. Controlling area setting. Maintain controlling area settings. Standard hierarchy tab 2. 20 profit center local area currency USD. Activate indicator legal valuation. Store transaction currency. Eliminate internal business volume. Save. Okay, it's done. Activate direct posting. Set control parameter. New entries. 2024 line items. Online transfer. Controlling area. Tab 2 is incomplete. Okay, I guess we'll have to create a dummy profit center. Standard hierarchy first. Teapot industry. Lower level. Dummy. No, we don't want this. We don't want this. Okay, define standard hierarchy. We'll keep it as it is. Okay. And we'll create a dummy. Now, dummy profit centers are for cost centers that are meant for dummy tab 2. Profit center group, tab 2, save. Okay, this is done. Okay. Controlling area settings, direct postings, activate direct postings, new entries, 24. Now it is okay, save. This is for activating line item entries. Okay. Okay, this is done. Now settings, plan version, maintain plan version. Zero. Okay, our line items exchange. Okay, this is done. Good. Fair enough. Master data, profit center, define profit center. Okay. Let me type one master data. Plant one and two. Plant one and two. Segment. Did we create a segment or not? I don't think so. We created. Okay, we created T2 PP and T2 SV. Activate. This is activated. Okay. Okay. Create profit center. Tab 1002. Tab 1001. We will copy from this master data. Line 3. Line 3. Activate. Okay. This is also activated. Oh. Uh, 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 uh. Segment was not this one. Delete. Already exists. Okay, let's do two. SUV. Okay, master data is done. Okay, I think let's call it a day here.